Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how you can activate call waiting on Infinix Smart 6. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video. So let's start. Go to phone and then you see there is a settings option. Then go to advanced setting, here it is. Then there is a just you can see call time reminder, just turn it on and it vibrate at least 15 seconds per minute during a call. This is how you can just wait your call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching.